C14 is 48 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Big movements in Aurora Mobile Limited stock price on Monday, moving 11.69% between high and low, updated on December 21, 2020. Buy or hold candidate since the 13th of November 2020 gain 54.11%. The Aurora Mobile Limited stock price fell by -8.07% on the last day, Monday, 21st of December 2020, from $3.47 to $3.19. During the day the stock fluctuated 11.69% from a day low at $3.08 to a day high of $3.44. The price has fallen in 5 of the last 10 days and is down by -8.33% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 11,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 454,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.45 million. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 116.48% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $6.09 and $9.78 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 27, 2020. And so far it has fallen -18.21%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Aurora Mobile Limited gained volume on the last day, but on falling prices. In technical terms, this is called divergence and may be an early warning. In some cases, increasing volume on falling prices may be considered positive, but that is mainly in typical sell-offs. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Aurora Mobile Limited stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $3.40. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $2.81. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Support, risk and stop loss. Aurora Mobile Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $3.16, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. $3.16, $3.19, $3.65. This stock may move much during a day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 36 cents between high and low, or 11.69%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.21%. Our recommended stop loss, $3.05, minus 4.50%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 16 days ago. Is Aurora Mobile Limited stock a buy? Several of the signals, indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. Current score, 1.483. Predicted opening price for Aurora Mobile Limited of Tuesday, December 22, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 2,